everybody, so today I just want to do a get ready with me. I've been really into monochromatic looks lately, so today I want to create a monochromatic red look, harkening back to classic Deadgirlglam. I asked you all on Instagram with those little Instagram polls that I am obsessed with right now. They're so convenient. And it is 60-40. I asked whether I should do classic Deadgirlglam or bright fun colors. 60% of y'all, oh my god, look how perfect Raw Beauty Christie is. Like, what the fuck? Anyways, I'm gonna go classic Deadgirlglam, but I guess it is still gonna be kind of fun and bright because I want to do all red. I got my red boob tube on and we are ready to go. Okay, so we're just going to get right into it. I want to do like a blown out red smoky eye with maybe some glitter in the center and then like a red lip. Again, super simple. I've been really into that look lately, just like blown out simple look, so I hope you all aren't tired of it yet, but I'm just obsessed with it. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're going to start with foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter foundation. I really like this foundation. I got two colors. I got medium 100 for when I have self tanner on, and then I have fair 25 for when I have no self tanner on, and I am somewhere in between. As you can see, it's kind of like rubbed off on some areas, so it almost looks like I have tan lines, but it's fake, and I need to exfoliate and get it off. So I'm somewhere in between, so I'm just gonna mix a little bit of both. I do really like this foundation. I wish it was a little bit better at controlling oil, because I do get oily. Like, I'd say about like 6 hours in, I get oily. But it still looks really nice when I get oily, so I'm not like mad about it at all. Looks like a pretty good match. But the coverage is really nice. It doesn't like make my skin feel gross. I mean, look at that coverage. It's really pretty. I haven't watched a ton of reviews on it, so I don't know how good it would be for dry skin. I know it's supposed to be full coverage and matte, but this isn't the like most matte foundation I've ever used. Like, I definitely think if you have dry skin, you can make it work. Comment down below if you've tried this and you have dry skin. Comment down below so that way we can, you know, get some opinions going. But this foundation is really freaking pretty. The packaging is really nice. It has a pump, and it has one of these pumps that like you can click it and lock it so it doesn't pump out, so it's really nice for travel. It is like glass bottles, but I really like it when you can lock that pump. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and highlight and conceal. Y'all know. Okay, then once we have that blended, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter setting powder for my under eyes. I like this powder because it's not totally 100% translucent. It does have kind of a warm hue to it. So I don't really like this for all over the face. I find that it is a little heavy. I don't like it for all over the face. It's like, I mean, y'all know I like my powders very finely milled and very smooth. I pack on powder. Like, if I touch my face and my face is still sticky, I add more powder. And I find that this powder, I have to add a lot of it to get that like truly dry matte finish. I don't think this would be the worst powder if you have dry skin either, and I do actually like this. For setting my under eyes. Now, I have not. I also got the pressed powder, and I'm nervous to try that because I just impulsively when I got them, I just used the pressed powder just to like touch up, and because obviously my makeup had been on all day. So I got home, got my package, opened it up, and tried to just like touch up with the powder, and it looked so cakey. So like, obviously I know that's not a good judgment for a powder, but I was just kind of like, ew. So I haven't tried the pressed powder. If you have tried the pressed powder, let me know. But so far I do really like the setting powder for setting the under eyes. It makes it nice and smooth. It blurs pores really nicely, and that kind of warm hue helps to brighten the under eyes as well. So far I really do like both the foundation, and I do really like the loose setting powder. We are going to set all over our faces with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. Okay, I just had to crack my window that's right there. So I'm sorry if you guys can hear like things outside, but it's so stuffy in my room, I had to do something. Okay, let's move on and just scoot this up a little bit and just move straight in to eyes. So I want to keep this really simple, honestly. I just want to keep it just nice and basic and just schmoky, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take Sugarpill's Love Plus eyeshadow, and I'm just going to start with a blending brush and start working this just on my eyes. Okay, I need to pluck these eyebrows though. I tried getting those little eyebrow like razors. Definitely don't recommend, because then they grow back so fast and they grow back so tiny. Like, I just need to wax them. But so I'm just gonna start taking some red eyeshadow and we're just gonna start blending it straight into the crease, just going in. Okay, then once we have just this just in the crease of our eye, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics shaaanxo The Remix palette, and I'm going to take the shade Stalker with a little bit of Vampette, and we're going to pack this on the lid. I'm actually going to switch brushes because I truly want to like pack this on the lid. So I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild large shadow brush, and I really want to pack this on. I shouldn't have set my lid. Again, I want to keep this just like simple, easy, and Deadgirlglam. I love the combination of these two colors because it makes it look like a bruise, and it's like perfect Deadgirlglam. I'm just taking my blending brush. Okay, then let's just go in with the lower lash line. We're just going to go straight in. I'm going to take Vampette, that shade. This is so messy. And we're just going... Now I'm taking mostly Stalker, that like more burgundy shade. Then I'm just taking more Stalker just on my lid just to make sure it's like on there. Oh, like seriously, just like highlight your inner corner and brow bone, pop some lashes on, and go out. Like these looks are like my favorite. Just like super simple, smoky Deadgirlglam. My favorite. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of Sugarpill's Love Plus and just go around the outskirts of the shadow. Okay, I am going to take a little bit of black shadow just for definition. I'm going to take the black from the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Q palette. This has been like my favorite black recently. It's the shade Void. I just want to use just like the tiniest amount. I'm just going to take it on this Real Techniques base shadow brush. I'm just going to take it right on the point and just tuck it right on the outer corner. I hope y'all will never get tired of red smoky eyes because I'm never going to stop doing them. So I just want to use just like the tiniest amount just to darken up that outer corner. Okay, back with that blending brush just right on top of the black to really mesh it in. Okay. Let's add some glitter, shall we? Because I feel like adding glitter. So I'm going to take the NYX glitter in the shade 09, red. This is just the red glitter. It's a little bit pinky, but that's a-okay. Now I'm going to try to do this like not super opaque. I kind of just want to like place it on the center of the lid, but we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue, take it on this little Wet n Wild small shadow brush and just tap the lid. Then dip in to the glitter. Also, I'm filming this on 4th of July, so y'all might hear some fireworks in the background, which is probably why I like in my mind was like do glitter, was because, you know, it's 4th of July. Why not? I just kind of wiped off my brush and now I'm just taking loose glitter and making sure all the spots are covered. Okay, it's a lot more opaque than I was initially going for, but I'm not mad about it. I actually really, really like it. There's glitter all over my face. Oh, wow. I was really messy with that glitter. And I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner in Plumeria. And I'm going to line my lower lash line. And also like on, like down my lower lash line. I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. Kick it old school. That's how I always used to blend my liner. You guys can probably hear all the cars outside. Okay, then I'm going to go straight back in with a little bit more stalker. Ooh! So I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I can't decide if I'm going to do a wing yet, so I'm just going to start by just doing a line and see where that gets me. Okay, I kind of did like a baby wing. Like the babiest wing that has ever existed. Okay, let's highlight the brow bone. I think I want to go matte for the brow bone highlight. I'm going to take, from the Colourpop Dream Street palette, I'm going to take Moony. Right there. It's like a satin finish. It's not like super, super shimmery. But it's a really, really good brow bone shade. I need to do more looks with this palette, honestly. Okay, then just go back in with a blending brush. Okay, then I'm going to take the blending brush with a little bit of black on it and just run it through my crease real quick. Okay, I just went and filled in my eyebrows really quick off camera. I filled them in with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brow Pomade, and we're going to move on to face. So we're going to stick in true Deadgirlglam fashion and stick with some cool tones. Hello. Where are you? Anastasia! Boo! Where is you? I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Fawn. And this is going to serve as my, like, bronzer blush. Or bronzer contour. I remember that was one comment I used to get all the time. It's too much contour, too harsh, too much bronzer, too harsh of contour, and I was just kind of like, is that a thing? It's too harsh a contour thing? Come on. Too much bronzer, okay. Fair. You got me. But too harsh of contour? Come on. I know Vegan Beauty Addict would be dying if anybody told her too much contour. She'd be like, no, you can get off my channel if you think it's too much contour. I'm going to take that down my nose as well. Get the whole face snatched. I really don't want to do blush. I want to keep this super neutral. I want to do super glowy skin though. I think for highlight, I'm going to start with Champagne Pop and see where that takes me. Oh, hello. I'm going to highlight up here too. I want my skin to be glowing. I want my nose highlight to have a moment in and of like all to itself. I'm going to switch to the Milani Sun Glow strobelight highlight stuff. The Milani highlight that's the gold one. This one. I'm going to highlight my nose. And my Cupid's bow. Okay, so my problem is I want to do a red lip with this, but all of my red lips are too truly red, and this is like a burgundy, but I don't want to do a burgundy lip. I want to do a bright lip. I want to do a lip that matches this. I'm just freaking struggling. I am going to set my face real quick. I may end up going out tonight. Like I said, it is 4th of July, and it's only like 6 o'clock right now, so I could go out, so you never know. So I'm just going to spray my face just in case. That rhymed. This is my Urban Decay De-Slick makeup setting spray. I'm almost out. Oh no, I need another one. My whole body is sticky now. Okay, I guess the only thing that's left is to pick a lip color. But y'all, I'm struggling. See, like, if I do this one, it's like too true red. I need like a burgundy red. So I'm gonna go try to find something in my collection so that I don't just go with a nude lip. I'm trying to do the monochrome, okay? We're gonna stand by. Okay, after much deliberation in the drawers of my makeup cabinet, I found 2 matte lipsticks from NYX that I think combined will be a pretty good combination. I might even do kind of an ombre lip. The first one I'm going to take is the shade Siren, which is more of a deep kind of burgundy purple shade. And then on top, I'm going to put a little bit of Alabama, which is just like a beautiful kind of true dark-ish red shade. So we're first going to start with Siren. It's actually a pretty good match by itself. I am just going to add a little bit of red to it though. I like this combo. I should have definitely exfoliated my lips though. So I'm going to go pop on some lashes really quick. I have no idea what lashes I'm going to pick. So I will be right back and I'll let you know which lashes I pick. I swear sometimes my neighbors are an actual herd of elephants. Alright everybody, so for lashes I just decided to stick with my normal, and these are the Kiss Faux Mink in the style Gala, my favorite lashes of pretty much all time. So this is the finished look. Super fun, dramatic, red smoky eye and matching lip, just red monochromatic. I've been again really into monochromatic looks lately, and y'all know I can never stay away from red eyeshadow. I like this because it's just simple. It's just the glitter, smoky, nothing fancy, it's just simple and pure. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!